learn 7 words that start with A. Can you say them too? Come and play! A is for apple, so yummy and sweet. Apple, apple, it's a tasty treat. Can you say apple? Come and say it too. Apple, apple, apple. Apple, apple, now it's time for you. Apple, apple, apple. A is for ant, so small and fast. Ant, ant, running past. Can you say ant? Try it now with me. Ant, ant, ant. Ant, ant, as quick as can be. Ant, ant, ant. A is for airplane, flying in the sky. Airplane, airplane, soaring high. Can you say airplane? Let's give it a try. Airplane, airplane, airplane. Airplane, airplane, up so high. Airplane, airplane, airplane. A is for alligator, big and strong. Alligator, alligator, where does it belong? Can you say alligator? Come on, sing along. Alligator, alligator, alligator. Alligator, alligator with a mighty song. Alligator, alligator with a mighty song. A is for axe, chopping down the tree. Axe, axe, let's chop the tree. Can you say axe? Let's chop a number 3. Axe, axe, axe. Axe, axe, chopping happily. Axe, axe, axe. A is for arm, that's part of you and me. Arm, arm, let's move it, see. Can you say arm? Wave it with me. Arm, arm, arm. Arm, arm, moving so free. Arm, arm, arm. A is for angel, shining so bright. Angel, angel, flying in the light. Can you say angel with wings in flight? Angel, angel, angel. Angel, angel, shining so bright. Angel, angel, angel. Now we know words that start with A. Say them with me, let's shout hooray! Apple, ant, airplane. Alligator, axe, arm, angel. A, we learned them all today. Apple, ant, airplane. Alligator, axe, arm, angel. Great job, everyone! Hip, hip, hooray! Let's learn 7 words that start with B. Can you say them with me? B for ball, we love to play. Bounce it, roll it every day. Ball, 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 can you say ball? Ball, 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 let's play too. It's fun to do. B for banana, yummy and sweet. Banana, banana, a tasty treat. Banana, 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 can you say banana? Banana, banana, take a bite, feels just right. B for bird, flying in the sky. Bird, bird, so high, high, high. Bird, 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 can you say bird, bird, bird? Let's make it fly, fly, flying way up high. B for book, let's read a story. Book, book, full of glory. Book, 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 can you say book? Let's read today in every way. B for bicycle, let's ride so fast. Bicycle, bicycle, we're having a blast. Bicycle, 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 can you say bicycle? Bicycle, bicycle, ride with me. Come and see. B for bedtime, to sleep tight. Bed, bed, sleep all night. Bed, 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 can you say bed, bed, bed? Let's rest our head, head, time for bed. B for boat, sailing on the sea. Boat, boat, floating so free. Boat, 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 can you say boat? Boat, boat, let's sail away.
let's repeat. Cake, cake, cake is sweet and full of cheer. We eat it when birthdays are here. With candles on top, it's so bright. It brings us joy with every bite. Chocolate or pink, big or small, cake is a treat we love most of all. 2 is for candle, let's repeat. Candle, candle. A candle glows with gentle light. We blow it out with smiles so bright. We make a wish, we close our eyes. The flame goes out, it softly dies. So lovely, soft and fun to see. Candles mean light and wish for me.
C is for camel, let's repeat. Camel, camel walks across the sand with big soft feet and legs so grand. It has a hump, or maybe 2, and carries loads for me and you. In the desert hot and wide, the camel gives us a bumpy ride.
C is for car, let's repeat. Car, car. Cars go fast and take us far. Beep, beep, let's hop in the car.
To grandma's house or to the park.
Even when it's getting dark, we buckle up, we smile so wide.
Adventure waits with every ride.
C is for cup, let's repeat. Cup, cup. A cup can hold warm milk or tea, or cocoa sweet for you and me. Pretty colors, big or small, with flowers, stars, or not at all. Sip it slow, enjoy the day. A cup of joy in every way. C is for coconut, let's repeat. Coconut, coconuts grow so high in trees. They sway and shake in windy breeze. Crack them open, drink inside. So tasty, white, a great bite. Monkeys love them, crack and crunch. Coconuts are a jungle lunch. T is for cat,
let's repeat. Cat, cat. Soft and furry, cute and small. The little cat can climb a wall.
It plays with yarn and likes to nap. It curls up in your cozy lap. It purrs and stretches out so flat. A cuddly, snuggly, playful cat. C is for cold, let's repeat. Cold, 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 cold. Cold is snow and icy air. We wear warm clothes and hats to wear. It's like ice cream freezing treat, and snowflakes falling on our feet. We build a snowman tall and round, with cold and snow all on the ground.
C is for candy, let's repeat. Candy,
Candy, candy, candy.
candy sweet and colors bright. It sparkles in the morning light. Twisty, sticky, fun to chew. We love it red and green and blue.
Treats for parties, treats for fun. Candy is loved by everyone. T is for camera,
Let's repeat.
camera.
Camera.
A camera clicks and takes a snap. It captures smiles in just a tap.
With pictures saved of every place.
place. We never lose a happy face. Hold it still, say cheese out loud. Our memories make us super proud.
Learning C was so much fun. We laughed and rhymed till we were done. 10 great words that start with C. From cats to cups and coconut trees. Clap your hands and give a cheer. The letter C is super clear. Let's dance and sing today. Learn new words and shout hooray. 10 D words, big and small, let's learn them. One and all. D is for dog. Let's repeat doll, dog. A dog runs fast and plays around. It barks and jumps with happy sound. It wags its tail, it loves to run. A dog is loyal, full of fun. D is for duck. Let's repeat duck, duck. A duck swims gently on the lake. Quack, quack sounds it loves to make. It flaps its wings, it waddles near. A duck brings smiles and lots of cheer. D is for doll. Let's repeat doll, doll. A doll wears dresses nice and sweet. We hug it close and tap its feet with shiny shoes and lovely hair. A doll is love we always share. D is for door. Let's repeat door, door. A door opens, a door can close. It keeps us safe from winds that blow. Knock, knock sounds we hear each day. The door says welcome, come and stay. D is for dinosaur. Let's repeat dinosaur, dinosaur. Big and strong, it stomped the ground with roaring sound that shook around. With teeth so sharp and tail so wide, dinosaurs roamed the earth with pride. D is for donut. Let's repeat donut, donut. A donut is round and oh so sweet, with sprinkles on it, such a treat. Chocolate pink or rainbow bright, donuts make our mornings right. D is for desk. Let's repeat desk, desk. A desk to write, to draw, to play. We use it every single day. Books and colors spread on top. At my desk I never stop. D is for dress. Let's repeat dress, dress. A dress twirls round when you spin fast. Pretty colors made to last. Ribbons, lace, and buttons bright. A dress feels lovely, soft and light. D is for doctor. Let's repeat doctor, doctor, doctor. A doctor helps us feel so great. With caring hands, they never wait. They check our hearts, our smiles, our eyes. A doctor is a real good prize. D is for day. Let's repeat day, day. The day is bright, the sun is